Good morning, students. In the previous video lecture, we had studied up to first question of first chapter of Maths 2, that is complex number. Now today we will see the remaining examples. Now question number 2. Write the conjugate of the following complex number. Now we have to write conjugate of this all complex number. This should be 3 minus I. Okay. Now we'll see one by one. Now see, for complex conjugate we just have to change sign of imaginary part. So 3 plus I is the complex number. So conjugate of this is 3 minus I. So we'll write complex conjugate of 3 plus I is 3 minus I. Just change sign of imaginary part. Now 3 minus I, this is 3 plus I. Now for this, minus root 5 minus root 7I, then real part we don't have to change. But for imaginary part, change the sign. Now in this example, minus of minus root 5. So first of all, we'll write this minus of root 5 into root minus 1. So this is minus of root 5 and root minus 1 means I. Now this is having only imaginary part and there is no real part. So conjugate of this is root 5I, because this is minus root 5I. So conjugate is root 5I. Now for this is minus 5I. Now for this, root 5 plus I. Root 2 minus root 3I. And for this, cos theta minus I sin theta. So in this way you have to write complex conjugate. So in answer you will write complex conjugate of 3 plus I is 3 minus I. Complete sentence you have to write. Now question number 3. Find A and B if. Now first question is A plus 2B plus 2AI is equal to 4 plus 6I. Now here we have to find value of A and B. So first of all, as these two complex numbers are given equal, so we will equate real part with real part and imaginary part with imaginary part. And then after solving, we will get value of A and B. Now see, here A plus 2B is not having I, means this complete term is real part and 2AI is the imaginary part. And here this is real and this is imaginary. So we will equate real part with real part and imaginary part with imaginary part. Now see steps. So see this. This is real part and this is imaginary. Here this is real and this is imaginary. So equate A plus 2B is equal to 4 and 2A is equal to 6. So from this we can get value of A. So A is equal to 6 by 2. So A is equal to 3. Now substitute this value here. So 3 plus 2B is equal to 4. So 2B is equal to 4 minus 3. So 2B is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 by 2. So here we got value of A and B. 3, 1 by 2. Now this is second example. So this is real part, this is imaginary part, real part, imaginary part. So A minus B is equal to A and A plus B is equal to 5. Now this is A minus B is equal to A. Means A cancel. So minus B is equal to, or you can write like this. A minus B is equal to A. So this is A minus B is equal to 0. So ultimately we will get B is equal to 0. Now this is A plus 0 is equal to 5. So A is equal to 5. So in this way you can write, or otherwise direct cancellation, B is equal to 0. So this is the value for B and A. Now this is the third example. Now in third example here there is no plus sign or minus sign. So their multiplication is given. So this is not real part, this is not imaginary part. This is real and this is imaginary for this one. But what about this? So we'll solve this bracket first and then, so a into 2 plus I plus b into 2 plus I. So this is 2a plus ai plus 2b plus bi means 2a plus 2b plus a plus b into I is equal to. Now this is a real part and this is imaginary part. Now in the same way, here it is already given b plus 1 is real part and 10 plus 2ai is imaginary part. So this is as it is. So b plus 1 plus 10 plus 2ai. Now equate real with real and imaginary with imaginary. Now this is a 2a plus 2b is equal to b plus 1 and a plus b is equal to 10 plus 2a. Now solve this. So 2a plus 2b minus b minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2a plus b is equal to 1 or minus 1. Now here a plus b minus 2a minus 10 is equal to 0. So this is minus a plus b minus 10 is equal to 0, or a minus b plus 10 is equal to 0. So a minus b is equal to minus 10. Now we want to find value of a and b. Now we got the equation 2a plus b is equal to 1. Below that we'll write a minus b is equal to minus 10. Now add this. This cancel. This is 3a is equal to, this is minus 9. So a is equal to minus 9 by 3. So a is equal to minus 3. Now substitute this value in any one of the equation. So suppose a minus b is equal to minus 10. So minus 3 minus b is equal to minus 10. So minus b is equal to minus 10 plus 3. So minus b is equal to minus 7. So b is equal to 7. So in this way, we'll solve for value of a and b. Now this is the fourth example. Here also we have to find value of a and b. Now in left hand side there is no real part, and in right hand side 3a minus b is real and this 12 is imaginary. So see this, ab is equal to 12, imaginary with imaginary, and this real 3a minus b. Now here there is no real part. So we'll write 0 plus abi, 3a minus b plus 12i. So now this is equal to 0. So for solving this, we'll write, suppose a is equal to 12 by b. Now substitute this value of a in this equation. So 3 into 12 by b. Now this is minus b is equal to 0. So 36 by b minus b is equal to 0. So now do cross multiplication. This is 36 minus b square is equal to 0. Therefore, b square is equal to 36 means b is equal to plus minus 6. Taking square root of both sides, so b is equal to plus minus 6. Now for value of a, so a is equal to 12 by 6 suppose. So a is equal to 2. And if a is equal to 12 by minus 6, so a is equal to minus 2. So therefore, a value of a is plus minus 2 and value of b is plus minus 6. So in this way, we will solve for value of a and b. Now fifth example. Now in fifth example, it is not given properly. So first of all, we'll take 1 here and cross multiplication. So 1 is equal to 3 minus 2i into a plus ib. So open this bracket. So this can be written as 1 plus 0i. Now this is 3 into a plus ib minus 2i into a plus ib. So this is 1 plus 0i as it is. 3a plus 3bi minus 2ai minus 2b into I square, and I square means minus 1. So 1 plus 0i is equal to, so I square is minus 1, so this is plus 2b. So 3a plus 2b, and this is plus 3b minus 2a. This is I. Now this and this is real, and 0i, and this is imaginary. So equate. So 3a plus 2b is equal to 1, and next is 3b minus 2a is equal to 0. Now this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So simultaneous equation we have to solve. So equation 1 into 2 and equation 2 into 3. So 1 into 2 means, now 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now below that equation 2 multiply by 3. So this is 9b minus 6a is equal to 0. Now this is equation number 3 and equation number 4. So 6a plus 4b is equal to 2. Below that we will write minus 6a plus 9b is equal to 0. Now add. So this is cancelled. This is 13b is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2 by 13. So this is the answer for b. Now substitute value of b in any one equation. Suppose we substitute here 3b minus 2a is equal to 0. So 3 into 2 by 13 minus 2a is equal to 0. So this is 6 by 13 minus 2a is equal to 0. So minus 2a is equal to minus 6 by 13. So minus minus cancel. A is equal to 6 by 13 into 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So A is equal to 3 by 13. In this way we have to find value of A and B. In the next video lecture we will see the remaining examples.